know a Tibetan? Have you checked on them? They are not okay. They need support, solidarity, and allyship. A marginalized group surviving a brutal occupation and annihilation is being re-traumatized by all the horrifying accusation against their spiritual leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, by people watching a 20-second edited clip with perversive description, turning an act of kindness, a jovial cultural prank, a grandfatherly affection into something lustful and immoral. They are vulnerable and facing injustice again. They want their stories to be heard and believed. They want their existence to be seen and acknowledged. Listen to them with an open heart, with empathy. If you do not know a Tibetan, then press pause. Take time to research about the Dalai Lama, the ancient culture, customs and beliefs. It's unbelievable. Diversify your feed and follow Tibetan content creators. Help fight and deconstruct disinformation and combat the most sophisticated cyber warfare by a totalitarian government. Be the voice of truth and justice.
Shame on media.
What do we want? We want justice.
What do we want? We want truth.
Media must apologize.
Cela a profondément attristé et blessé la communauté tibétaine en France et partout dans le monde. La communauté tibétaine de France et les associations de la diaspora tibétaine souhaitaient vivement clarifier et réagir en apportant leur soutien aux chefs spirituels et religieux du Tibet, Sa Sainteté le Dalai Lama.
Sa Sainteté le Dalai Lama. We want truth. What do we want?
We want truth.
What do we want?
We want truth.
Media must apologize.
No, no, no.
Media must apologize.
No, no, no.
Merci, tout le monde. Yango jala ke gendalo.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.